Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over a quick overview of what tessellations are, as that's something which many people might find a bit confusing, so I'm just going to go over the definition and a few examples. So a tessellation is a pattern which can repeat itself infinitely with no spaces in between, and I'll just show you an example right behind me. You can see that there is the tessellations of 6 of a hexagon that tessellate in either triangles or hexagons, depending on which way you see it. Now, this is going to be an example of something which might seem to be a tessellation, but actually isn't. However, it does repeat itself infinitely. It is a pattern, but it's not a tessellation. As you can see, there is still white space in between, so it doesn't completely go flush with each other. Here's one more example of tessellations in a non-polygon. They're simply a pattern in the center of the rug. Great, so now that I've shown you a few examples of tessellations, I think I'm going to show you just how to make your own tessellations, or just an easy way to do that. So first you're going to have to start off with making a polygon which can tessellate. This is just one of the ways to make it. You can make tessellations in a lot of different ways, but I'm going to choose a triangle. So here we have our wonderful triangle, and I'm going to show you how to tessellate this. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make an indent, such as a, I'm just going to do this shape, right? Great. So you can now see that I took out this indentation. Of course, this is supposed to be an equilateral triangle. It's not, because I can't draw, but it's meant to be. So then you're going to want to take the shape that you took off, and you're going to want to move it over here. So make it so that if this shape was going into it, you would have the shape like this. So I'm gonna try to show you like that. So now you can see that if this shape were to be rotated, it would fit like a puzzle piece into here. So I'm going to show you an example of what the shape would look like. So you would have the, let me cross this out. And now that you would have this, you'd go this is not a straight line, I'm sorry. That's still not straight, but whatever. And you can see that this pattern could continue on forever, because it is, the shape will continually tessellate. Thanks everyone for watching my video. If you still have any questions about tessellations, feel free to just ask in the comments. And if you like the video, please just consider subscribing, as every subscriber helps. Thanks so much. Have a great day.